The rollout of 5G has officially started here in India, but still there are questions like should you buy a new SIM or should you pay more for using 5G, or why isn't 5G showing up despite it's rolled out? So after seeing all these questions online, I decided to make a video where I explain 5G in depth clearly that's rolled out here in India. What's the status of 5G? When will you get 5G? Should you buy a new SIM for 5G? Should you pay more for 5G? Every questions about 5G in this video is answered. So it's kind of an FAQ video for 5G in India. Watch this video till the end because there are a lot of information which I'm going to share in a very small video. So make sure to don't skip any point of the video so that you will get a lot of information possible about 5G. Before we start, if you don't know me yet, well, I'm the host Arnav and you are watching Tech Arena, and make sure to drop a like for this video for the efforts taken to make this video possible. And then share this video with all of your friends, and don't forget to subscribe to this channel. It's very simple. Just scroll down, tap on the red color subscribe button, make it gray, and also tap on the bell icon to get all the notifications so that whenever I post any new video, you will get a notification as soon as I post. So now let's get rolling. Alright, so first let me explain about the operators who are starting the 5G services here in India. Totally there are 4 operators who are planning to start 5G, where 3 have actively started to do it. The first 3 are Jio, Airtel and Vi. And the 4th one is surprisingly BSNL, but it seems that BSNL will not roll their 5G services until the second half of next year. So BSNL is now out of the game. Right now, the companies active on 5G rollout are 3: Jio, Airtel and Vi, which is Vodafone and Idea combined. Now, let me explain about the rollout status and the cities where 5G is available in phase-wise. So when it comes to Jio, in their first phase, during Diwali, they are planning to roll out in 4 cities, which is Mumbai, Kolkata, Chennai and Delhi. And whereas Airtel has already started to roll out their 5G services in 8 different cities in some part of these 8 cities. Now on the screens are the cities by Jio and Airtel with their respective dates for 5G rollout. Now, when you talk about Vi Telecom operator, well, they have not talked about their 5G rollout dates, but they are actively working on rolling it out within this month. So they haven't released a list of cities where the 5G services will start beginning. But from what I know and what I saw, Vi 5G is available in some parts of Delhi NCR, but not in any other states. So we'll soon have an update from Vi where they will list the cities for their first phase of 5G rollout. So the next most asked question about 5G is, should you upgrade your SIM from 4G to 5G? It totally depends on the operator which you're using actively. So I just want to give you a quick update. In the video, I mentioned that you will be only able to use Jio 5G only when you upgrade your existing 4G SIM to 5G. But from this tweet, I'm able to understand that Jio 5G doesn't require SIM swap because on Dasara, Jio has planned to roll out its 5G services in these select 4 cities which doesn't require a SIM swap. And not only that, the 5G plan is going to be called as welcome offer, just like how Jio named it when 4G was launching. So this was an update that I wanted to give you in the middle of the video just because I was editing that video and I quickly noticed a tweet by Jio. So I just want to mention that in this video quickly. But whereas for Airtel and Vodafone, they are going for a non-standalone 5G operating procedure where they'll use their existing 4G infrastructure to build 5G upon it. So if you already have a 4G SIM card, that is it required for getting 5G, because when you go to a 5G zone, you will start receiving 5G signal if your phone is capable of having the 5G. Now the next most asked question is, should you pay extra for using 5G? Well, if it's Jio, then obviously you might need to pay more. But whereas for Airtel and Vi, the existing 4G customers can start using 5G if their phone is supporting 5G and if they're also in a 5G zone. For some time from now, you can start using 5G with your existing 4G plan. But as soon as they start expanding to more and more places, they'll slowly start hiking the price of their current 4G plan, which will eventually be higher than what you pay right now. Now, the last and final question that I saw online was, I have an Airtel SIM and I am in a 5G zone, but still 5G is not showing up in my phone. Why is that so? There are 2 reasons for it. 1, you might not have a 5G phone that supports the 5G band that's near you. Or 2, your smartphone company might not have pushed an OTA update to enable 5G services in your smartphones. These can be the 2 reasons why 5G is not showing up on your smartphone despite you are in a 5G zone and having a 5G phone. But apart from that, there's no reason as such why 5G is not working. And I also saw some people, despite having a 5G ready phone with all the updates installed with Airtel plan recharged and everything in a 5G zone, they're not getting 5G signals. So wait for some time because it's just been a few days since 5G has been launched, so eventually you will also start receiving 5G signals. And trust me, the 5G signal that people are getting right now is not so much faster than what 4G is. They are getting somewhere around 50 to 60 megabytes, which you can easily get in your existing 4G connection by Airtel, Jio or Vodafone, because that's just the signal that you're going to see as 5G. So don't worry about that. So these are some of the questions that I saw online regarding 5G that people were asking continuously to many tech YouTubers. So I thought to make a video to answer all that and make an FAQ video about 5G in India. So if this video was really useful, then don't forget to drop a like for this video, share this video with all of your friends, and also subscribe to our channel. It's very simple. Scroll down, tap on the red color subscribe button, make it gray, and also press the bell icon to get all the notifications so that whenever I put any new videos, you will get the notification as soon as I post. So this is me, Arnav, signing off. Talk to you guys in the next one. Bye-bye.